Okay, so I want to show some of you guys who maybe in my situation don't have a power source separately to check your mini relays, your micro relays on your car. So what you want to kind of do is just leave it in your car. You'll be checking these right here. My wipers went out, so I'm trying to check my relays to make sure that they weren't bad. Turn on your multimeter, which got a regular little one from Harbor Freight I've had. Put it on your ohms. I'll just do 20. You see your 1. What you're making sure is that there's no resistance going through it. So like when I hook it up, you'll see. Take one of these out the way for now. Ooh, why is it getting... Alright. So you kind of want to pull this up or out. Screw it. Put it in just enough to feel that click. Even though you feel a click, doesn't mean the relay is working. It's going to be hard to show, but with the room you have, just get up against the relay. Kind of just like that. So there's one on. And then you'll do the other from the same way. See? So there's your power source. Just use your card instead of trying to find something else. But you see this? This is what we're looking for. We want no resistance. So the relay is good, regardless of the pop. And what you check, most of them, you'll go off your little diagram and you want to complete the circuit. So this 8586 is usually what the power is. What you're usually looking for is this 30 and 87. That's what you want to test. You want to get on those two prongs. When you look at the bottom, I don't know if you can see it, but you'll see. Let's get out the sun real quick. Yeah, you see your numbers? So we want this 87 and 30. And just remember where they are when you put your relay back in, so that you can test those two on your multimeter. And if you have zero resistance, your relay is good. So, put these back in. And you guys have a good day. Hopefully this helps.